Good morning everyone. My name is Jose Couture. I am from Detroit. I am a part of the Granaya Tampa Homes here in Florida. We are so excited that you all are here this sunny morning in Florida to celebrate the groundbreaking and blessing of the grounds of the Tampa Granaya Retirement Homes. Few words about the Granaya Homes. It's as you probably many of you know, this is a non-profit organization, and all the participants are going to be a part of the investors here. And more than that, all the officers of the non-profit are volunteers. This project, just to give you a little bit about this project, this is a gated community with about 28 dwellings, and it is also a community venture where it is only open to the Granaya community members. And there are other facilities include a community center and also a clubhouse with a pool and gymnasium. Then also there is also going to be transportation available for the community members to go to shopping or to the church or to the community center and things like that. Those are some of the options we are actually making it available for our community members. The purpose of this project is to make the retirement of the Granaya people enjoyable and longer. I think that is one of the things we always look forward for our the retirement time. And this is a project, we are just setting it as an example for other people to follow. And we are already seeing that there is enthusiasm among our community members. We also want to let you know about 60% of the dwellings are already sold, and there are only limited spots available for this project. So there is enthusiasm and excitement in the community to be a part of this project. And there is also one of the advantages that there are also people who we are going to consult on how do we make this retirement project enjoyable for our community members, having exercise programs, having reading clubs, to stimulate and encourage people to be having a happy retirement life. So in this occasion, we want to welcome all of you, especially Father Dominic Kalathil, the vicar of the Tampa Granaya Church, along with his trustees. Jose is here, Reni, Ibrahim Padil is not here, but we wanted to welcome all of you. We also wanted to James Kudunlachani is not here yet, but I think he has also make it available that he is going to be here. Then we want to welcome Kishore, the local president of KCS, and his executive committee members for being here. Yeah. Kishore, yeah, that's right. Then KCCNA executive vice president, Joe Suputil is here. KCCNA RVP James Pulikathodil. Then Tommy said he will be here. He is actually Tommy Malkarpur is supposed to be here. He said he will be here, and he was one of the persons who actually initiated at his time. That was the project was initiated at his time. I also want to welcome and appreciate the local team who has actually made this happen. So the president Stephen Teverhart actually from New York is here. And he is the one who was actually spearheading this project from the beginning. And as many of you know, and he's very passionate about this project, we wanted to recognize him. Then Joni Puttaparambil is here. He is the vice president and the past KCCNA president. Joey Melanda Cheryl, our local liaison. Joey Chetton is actually being the treasurer of the program. Then Thomas Pudiyar Cheryl, Thomas is here. Then Stephen Tutil, these are our local delegates and all the people who are making this happen. So from the people who are outside, who actually just talk to them. Then I also wanted to appreciate all of you, the well-wishers who are here, and please encourage your family members or people who are actually living in the snow belt to come back to Florida to be a part of this community, and I think there is definite opportunities for them to do that. And I wanted all of you welcome to this initiating ceremony and blessing ceremony in this morning. Thank you very much.
പിതാവിന്റെയും പുത്രന്റെയും പരിശുദ്ധാത്മാവിന്റെയും നാമത്തിൽ സ്വർഗ്ഗസ്ഥനായ ഞങ്ങളുടെ പിതാവേ, പരിശുദ്ധാത്മാവുമായ സർവേശ്വരായ നീക്കും കർത്താവേ അത്യുന്നതനും ആരാധ്യനുമാകുന്നു. രാജ്യമെല്ലാം ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെതാകുന്നു. പിതാവിനും പുത്രനും പരിശുദ്ധാത്മാവിനും സ്തുതിയും. പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കാം നമുക്ക് സമാധാനം. സർവശക്തനായ ദൈവമേ, ഈ സ്ഥലത്തെയും ഇതിൽ വസിക്കുന്നവരെയും ആശീർവദിക്കണമേ. ഇവിടെ ജോലി ചെയ്യുകയോ താമസിക്കുകയോ ചെയ്യുന്നവർക്ക് ആരോഗ്യവും അഭിവൃദ്ധിയും നൽകണമേ. ശത്രുക്കളുടെ ഉത്തരവിൽ നിന്നും ഈ സ്ഥലത്തെയും ഇതിലെ നിവസിക്കുന്നവരെയും സംരക്ഷിക്കണമേ, ഇപ്പോഴും എപ്പോഴും എന്നേക്കും. ആമേൻ.
വളർത്തും ആചാരങ്ങൾ തനതായി ഞങ്ങൾ സൂക്ഷിക്കും. ദൂരാചാരം പ്രവണതകൾ ദൂരെ തട്ടിക്കളയും ഞങ്ങൾ, ദൂരെ തട്ടിക്കളയും ഞങ്ങൾ. ഓരുമോ നാമെല്ലാം തനിമയിൽ അഭിമാനിച്ചീനാം, ഓരുമോ നാമെല്ലാം തനിമയിൽ അഭിമാനിച്ചീനാം.
Many of our people, helped us, and we need your help. So, everybody, you deserve a lot of thanks. Thanks for coming here, and we will have a lunch after this session in the church hall. So we will follow there, and thanks to all. Thank you.
ഓരുമോ നാമെല്ലാം തനിമയിൽ അഭിമാനിച്ചീനാം, ഓരുമോ നാമെല്ലാം തനിമയിൽ അഭിമാനിച്ചീനാം. പയ്യാവൂര്, പെരിക്കല്ലൂര്, മാലക്കല്ല്, കുടവൂര്, എല്ലാം എല്ലാം ഒന്നിച്ചൊന്നായി കാണായി സിംഹണി മേളങ്ങൾ, ഈ കാണായി സിംഹണി മേളങ്ങൾ. ഓരുമോ നാമെല്ലാം തനിമയിൽ അഭിമാനിച്ചീനാം, ഓരുമോ നാമെല്ലാം തനിമയിൽ അഭിമാനിച്ചീനാം. മാമലയോടും പടവെട്ടി മണ്ണിൽ കനകം വിളയിച്ച് കുടിയേറ്റത്തിൻ മക്കളിതാ, ഈ ജ്ഞാനായക്കാർ ഞങ്ങളിതാ, ഈ ജ്ഞാനായക്കാർ ഞങ്ങളിതാ. ഓരുമോ നാമെല്ലാം തനിമയിൽ അഭിമാനിച്ചീനാം, ഓരുമോ നാമെല്ലാം തനിമയിൽ അഭിമാനിച്ചീനാം. മാറട്ടെ, കാലാവസ്ഥകൾ മാറട്ടെ, നമ്മുടെ പൈതൃക സംസ്കാരത്തിൽ അടിപതറാതെ മുന്നേറാം, അടിപതറാതെ മുന്നേറാം.
ഓരുമോ നാമെല്ലാം തനിമയിൽ അഭിമാനിച്ചിടാം, 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 ഓരുമോ നാമെല്ലാം തനിമയിൽ അഭിമാനിച്ചിടാം.
ഓരുമോ നാമെല്ലാം തനിമയിൽ അഭിമാനിച്ചിടാം, ഓരുമോ